guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing one of my favorite videos, and that is making my 2020 vision board. So I'm going to take you along with me through that process, and I'll explain everything after I'm done, what all the images are and how I went about choosing them and why, and we'll just go through that all at the end. So without any further ado, let's just get right on into the video.
Okay, you guys, so the very first thing that I like to do when I'm getting ready to sit down and make my vision board is I like to go through my goals and write everything down. So if you recall, a couple of weeks ago, I guess it was just a couple of videos ago, I shared with you my New Year's resolutions. So that's pretty much what I'm doing, is I'm going through, writing down my resolutions, writing down my goals for the year and what I want to accomplish. I want to make sure and get a good list so that I'm not forgetting anything. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Google and I'm going to search out those goals. I'm just going to write those goals into Google and see what kind of images Google can come up with. So for this one in particular, it was 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I found this really cool little picture, went ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it into a Word document and go ahead and continue on through my list until I get all of the images that I want, and then I'll print them off.
Might be young at heart, but we're still dreaming, eyes wide open. Leave this place behind, no matter what they say. Yeah, 'cause we're stronger than iron. We won't let them break us down. Now we're heading over the clouds.
So now that I've found all of my images, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this frame. I've had this frame forever. I bought it years ago from IKEA and I never ended up using it. And I thought it would work perfectly for this. So I'm taking this frame and I'm going to put just a really fancy or pretty type of wrapping paper in it, just for some sort of background. And I'm going to go ahead and trace my shape on there and just get that background taped on. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut out all of the images that I found in Google and arrange them so that they look really nice onto this little setup here.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me, we could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close to perfect as anyone can be.
Hey guys, so here is the finished product. I'm going to go through here and show you everything that I put on it and why. So quite obvious up there is 2,000 YouTube subscribers. I want to be over 2,000 YouTube subscribers by the time the year is over. Over here I have this little guy on a typewriter saying the end. That signifies me finishing my book this year. I want to be querying for agents by the time New Year's Eve rolls around. I want to pay off any debts that I have. One of the most important things on here is you were born to be an intuitive eater. I am really, really interested in the concept of intuitive eating, and rather than making myself a New Year's resolution to lose weight, I just want to master intuitive eating and eat the way that nature intended us to and how we're supposed to, and just kind of be quote unquote normal when it comes to eating. Like, saying being normal is kind of a stretch, but you understand what I mean, like just not having to always have all these food issues and worrying about it. Next, we move over here. I want to make $3,000 a month from home. So whether that is from my side businesses, from YouTube, from my book, or from my daycare, or all of those things combined from home, I would like to make $3,000 a month by the end of the year. Over here, I've just written some words: healthy, creativity, happy, and then down here I've got thriving, just words that I want to focus on this year for my life. Over here I have found this little saying here. It says, my commitment, and it says, you are a gift from God and very special treasure in my life. I'm thrilled that you are my child, so it is with the great joy that I commit myself to be a great mom to you, always loving you, encouraging you, and caring for you with the guidance and grace of God. And that signifies my commitment to be a better mom, have more patience with my son, and spend more time with him, and just all in all, just try to put more effort into that relationship. Down here shows a woman with her daycare center, and that signifies me wanting to have more patience with the kids in my daycare and just play with them more and just be a better daycare provider to them. And last but not least, shows this very, very happy couple on this beach. As you can tell, they look very, very in love and their relationship is thriving, and that signifies me wanting to work on my relationship with my spouse this year and just make it the best that it absolutely can be. So you guys, this is my updated yearly vision board, and I am going to put it up here in my office. Not sure exactly where yet. I'm thinking possibly up here in this space up here where it's gonna go, someplace where I am every day, where I'll see it every day, pass by it every day. I'll be staring at it while I'm working down here. So someplace where you can really just focus on it every single day and attract those things into your life. Alright you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you have on your vision board this year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.